Hey guys, it's Kathy from Crafty Chica, and I love conchas so much that I have glittered them. I've shown how to make holiday ornaments. I even decorated a pair of concha inspired shoes for my daughter. Now I present Concha Paletas and PanDulce too. Here's how I did this. I picked up some silicone molds for popsicles. And make sure you have your popsicle sticks. Pardon my mess because I was working on this project all morning and I thought, you know what? I think I will make a video about this to share with all of you. So I'm just diving right in to show you. Now, I tried this so many different ways. I got different results with all of the methods. For this particular method, I used big chunks of the concha and I put the topping face down. And my thinking was that when I put the ice cream in, they would stay intact. Now, some of the other paletas, I broke up small pieces of different types of PanDulce and put them in just like this in the bottom of the popsicle well. And then I, simply put the stick in there, and then from here, this is where things get a little bit tricky because I had never made these before. I tried to do some critical thinking. I got vanilla ice cream and I let it soften so that it was nice and creamy, and then I spooned it into the molds on top of the conchas and the PanDulce. So another way that you could do this that maybe would make them a little sturdier is kind of go when you go into the ice cream store and they put the ice cream down and they kind of mix in your treats, you could do it that way too and press them into the mold and then put in the stick. They might be a little bit sturdier because I noticed after these were frozen, a couple of them broke, and I think if I kept the ice cream a little bit harder and mixed it in, it would have been better. But regardless, they all came out cute and they taste really, really good. So what I did here, after I filled the mold, I put some of the crumbs on the back because you can never have too much, right? So this is what they look like when they were finished, and I got a little excited. I put a bunch of sprinkles for the background of the photo, so it looks a little messy. But you could also dip these in chocolate and then put sprinkles on them. It reminds me of an inside-out ice cream sandwich. That's what they taste like, except PanDulce style. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and visit craftychica.com for even more tutorials. Thanks guys, bye-bye!